everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your email address on eToro. So watch the video till the end and follow the steps. Launch open a web browser to get started. Now type in eToro.com in the search box and search. Log into your eToro account like you normally do. Type in eToro.com in the web browser and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're signed into the account, from the left hand side menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Now click on the account option from the list and then scroll down and click the change button right next to the email. Now enter the new email you'd like to change to and associate with your eToro account. After typing in an email, click on done and then it'll ask you to enter the code that you received via the email. Type in the code that you received, which is 6 digits long, and click on activate now in order to change your email address. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your email address on eToro. That's how easy it is to change to a different email address on eToro.com account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.